Today, I am going to Malad Infinity for shopping. So stay tuned till the end for this exciting vlog. Reached Malad Infinity now, going inside the mall.
This mall is so well decorated for Diwali, and this is how it is looking.
Now I'm going towards the exhibition in Malad Infinity. This exhibition is from Thursday to Sunday and it is excellent. They have got excellent products in it. So I always try to come. If I am visiting Malad Infinity, I try to visit between this time so that I can, come to the exhibition.
The first attraction in this exhibition is this dry fruit stall. Whenever I come here, I always take dry fruits from him. It is pure and very fresh. I was recommended by him this yellow coated pistachio with kesar in it. It is so tasty that I'm going to take it. The whole exhibition is looking like this. Today I didn't like most of the things since I've only taken dry fruits from here today. And now it's time for my lunch, and today I will be exploring Punjab Grill. I have tried their Palladium branch, but today is the first time I am coming to the Malad Infinity branch. So let's see how is the food taste here.
In Punjab Grill now, enjoying my lunch.
And I have started my lunch with my favorite mojito. I love mojito as you all know by this time, and this was first served to me. And now it's my another favorite dish, prawns biryani. I couldn't order so many dishes because alone it gets very difficult for me to eat everything. And after food now, I am in my favorite store, and that is none other than Forest Essentials. It's been now quite some time that I'm using Forest Essential products, and I'm extremely happy with their quality. Hence, I come here repeatedly, and it is excellent.
I'm in Forest Essentials right now as Buranj got over the tinted lip balm which I use. Hence I came here to take it.
I have taken this pistachios in two form. One is the pistachios and the second one is this yellow coated pistachios with kesar in it, which is very tasty as I have mentioned before. From Forest Essentials, I have taken this tinted lip balm which is known as Buranj. Buranj is little, pinkish, a little dark pinkish tone, and I always love using it as I use two lip balm. One is Anar Rasa and one is Buranj. So today I have taken it and it is excellent quality. Even if I sleep with it. I do all my shooting using these all, lip balms, and I'm extremely happy with their quality.
Today was a day of enjoyment. I enjoyed so much in Malad Infinity and have shared with all of you what all I've shopped from there. So that's all for today. Until next, keep watching Welcome to My World. Bye.